Welcome to Sheree 4x4, where we have a wide selection of new and pre-owned Jeep Wranglers and trucks. We specialize in the Jeep and truck market when it comes to the 4x4, lifting them in the air and doing some conversion packages to them. So our main converter is Rocky Ridge. This vehicle in front of us is a brand new 2020 Jeep Rubicon, basically fully loaded, almost every option you could put on this thing, including the coolest feature yet, which is the Skyrider to One Touch, which we'll go over when we get inside. This vehicle here has been upgraded like Rocky Ridge, but like I said, it does have what we call the K2 package with a bunch of extra goodies put on it. So on the front, we have an upgraded front bumper. This isn't the standard K2 bumper. This is actually an upgraded bumper. So also with this bumper, is brand new to Rocky Ridge, comes with a 20-inch LED light bar in the center. Not only do you get that 20-inch LED light bar, the normal lights on this thing are upgraded to LED also from the factory. You can see that they do have the standard fog lamps that are built into the new bumper also. Red tow hooks on the front, which are great in case you get stuck in that deep mud. 17-inch Helo rims wrapped in a 37 Baja Boss tire. That is a great combo, and it really puts this Jeep up in the air with that 37-inch tire. And they do have a lot of meat in there, but they do not have too much meat where it sounds terrible driving down the road, and it drives phenomenally. The lift on this is a 3.5-inch lift, so not overly high, but high enough to get the Jeep up in the air, especially when you're in them off-road situations where you need it to be. Some upgrades that we have been done from the factory on this, along with the front, the fender flares on the rear and in the front have been painted to match. That is an option. Also with this particular unit, it is a full body paint hardtop. Like I said, it does have that Skyrider in it, and that is an option with that full body paint. Another great feature. Another thing that Rocky Ridge does right is they put the spare tire that matches the four tires and rim and tire on the back for the spare. It matches the ones that are on the ground, so you don't have that oddball on the back. It actually is the exact same rim, the exact same tire as what we talked about just a second ago. Aftermarket exhaust put on it, nice tip put on it. It does match well with the exterior of this Jeep. Also, it does have the aftermarket steel rear bumper with the tow package built on underneath it. In that steel bumper, it does have the backup sensors, which is a great feature when getting into them tight spaces. You can also see it has a heavy-duty step-up bar on both sides for ease access getting into the Jeep. Upgraded front hood gives a nice stout look from the front. In the inside of this vehicle, you're going to notice that it's going to have power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Everything's pretty much all power in this thing. Leather seating here with some red stitching and a nice Rubicon logo put in it. Inside of the vehicle, on the steering wheel on the left hand side, you're going to have four buttons here, along with an OK switch in the center. That's going to operate your instrument panel that's in between your RPM and your speedometer. It's going to give you all kinds of readouts from miles per hour, which is set on now, your fuel economy, how many miles till empty, tire pressure, a number of things that are built in there that you can check on while driving down the road. You also have the capability of pairing your phone with this specific unit, so you no longer have to grab for your phone. You simply hit the phone button and you can talk fluently through your speaker system with the person that you are calling or is calling you. On the right hand side, you're going to have your cruise control, and on the back hand side of the steering wheel on the right hand side, you're going to have your volume buttons, and then on the left behind the steering wheel, you're going to have where you can change your channel on your radio, so you can have everything on your hands on the steering wheel. This vehicle does come equipped with a touchscreen radio, AM, FM, and Sirius radio. So it has some really cool features. And that Sirius radio, you have a free subscription when buying a brand new Jeep. So that is another awesome feature that comes with buying a new car. You have media outlets. You can download media into this thing. You also have dual climate controls with auto settings built in there, so you can have his and hers as far as different temperatures go in this vehicle. Another great feature. This particular unit also has a number of apps built in it. You can automatically turn on your backup camera, You can check audio controls, you can check heated seats, all that good old stuff. There's a bunch of apps built in here. And like I said, it does have the heated seat setting with a high, medium, and low for the driver and front passenger. It also does have heated steering wheel, which is another very, very nice feature. You can also operate the radio from the 2 side knobs here in the center, right under the radio. And you can also do your manual temperature control right here on both sides, and then you can turn the knob to increase the power of the airflow coming out. Also, heated seat button and heated steering wheel button on both sides. Makes it nice so you do not have to use the radio if you do not desire to. 12-volt DC plug, your 4 automatic windows right there, and your media ports right there also. There is also auxiliary switches down here. One of them does operate that huge 20-inch LED light bar on the front, and there's also 3 more auxiliary switches that are capable of you adding stuff to. But probably the coolest feature of this Jeep is what we're showing you right now. This is a power slide away top. This top goes all the way back to the rear of the vehicle. As you can see, it just keeps going and going and going, literally all the way back. So you can literally see that it just flows all the way back, which makes it a blast when it comes to driving down the road. You no longer have to take that top off. This vehicle also does have universal garage door openers, 3 of them that can be paired to your garage door, to 3 different garage doors to make it convenient for you. Like I said, I'm going to try to climb up here so we can show you what this looks like. Very nice, wide open. And also another cool feature is these windows, back windows, do come out on each side. So you can have more airflow flowing through, and they weigh about 20 pounds a piece, so they're very easy to take out. Once again, this is a 2020 Jeep Rubicon with a K2 package, aftermarket, upgraded front bumpers, 17-inch rim wrapped in a 37 Mickey Thompson tire, the Skyride 1 touch top, loaded, every bell and whistle you could possibly ask for inside. This vehicle is only located at Sheree 4x4. We're located in the Midwest, but we ship nationwide. So don't worry if you're in California, Texas, it doesn't matter, even Maine. We can have the vehicle delivered to your front door. And again, if you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, throw a comment down below. That way you are fully aware when we get all of our new arrivals into the store. And if you're on YouTube and want to see over 50 individual pictures of this specific Jeep or any other one we have in the lot, visit our website at sherry4x4.com. That's SHERRY 4x4.com. And for the best price on any Rocky Ridge nationwide, visit sherry4x4.com.